Hello everyone. The neon lightning strategy for binary options is perfect for beginners. Everything is as simple as possible. No confusing indicators or complex theories, only clear visual signals. An up arrow on a green background appears. Buy a call option. See a down arrow on a red background. This is a signal for a put option. This approach makes this strategy universal. It is suitable not only for currency pairs, but also for trading stocks, indices, and even cryptocurrencies. Let's install the Neon Lightning strategy in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, like our template with all the settings, is installed in a standard way. Nothing complicated. You will find a link to the archive with the indicator and detailed instructions for installing it in the description under this video. Now let's look at the operating principle and key settings of this strategy. The Neon Lightning system is built on the basis of one complex indicator. At the same time, most of its parameters are not available for editing, which makes working with it as simple as possible. The user can change only a couple of settings: the code of the symbols that are displayed when a signal appears, and the delay value via the lag bar parameter. The indicator does everything else on its own. All you have to do is follow its prompts. As you can see on the screen, the strategy signals are displayed as arrows. An arrow on a red background signals the purchase of a put option, and on a green background, the purchase of a call option. At first glance, everything looks simple and intuitive. However, in real trading, everything is not so clear. It is important to consider the context in which the signal appears and supplement the strategy with filters to avoid false entries. If you mindlessly open positions for each strategy signal, there is a high probability of getting several losing trades in a row. To improve the accuracy of entries, we will apply a time-tested approach. We will trade only in the direction of the current trend. This simple rule will help filter out weak signals and increase the overall percentage of profitable trades. There is one important question left to solve: how exactly to determine the direction of the trend at the moment the signal appears? If you are just starting to understand trading and are not yet sure how to correctly determine the direction of the current trend in the market, read the materials on our website. They will help you understand the basic principles of trend analysis and teach you to confidently determine its direction in real market conditions. Now let's look at the principle of operation and key settings of this strategy. To improve the accuracy of entries and reduce the number of unprofitable transactions, you can additionally use an exponential moving average with a period of 50. This tool will help determine the priority direction for trading. We will open call options only if the signal candle closes above EMA 50. Conversely, we open trades to buy put options when the candle with the trading signal closes below this moving average. This approach will help filter out trades against the trend and focus on more likely entry points. As you can see, even such a simple filter helps to cut off some of the unsuccessful trades. On the screen, the false buy-call option signal is marked with a red cross. It does not meet the conditions since the signal candle closed below EMA 50. At the same time, the green check mark indicates a valid trading signal. The candle closed above the moving average, confirming the uptrend. This is just one of many ways to determine the trend direction. If you want to learn how to navigate price movements, we recommend that you read our article, The Best Trend Indicators. It details the 7 most effective indicators that will help you confidently determine market trends and make more informed trading decisions. So, to open a call option, you need to: first, make sure that the trend is up. The candle closed above EMA 50. Second, a green arrow appeared. And third, at the opening of the next candle, we buy the call option. To open the put option, you need to: first, make sure that the trend is downward. Second, a red arrow appeared. And third, at the opening of the next candle, we buy the put option. We recommend setting the expiration time of the 3 candles, but the optimal period for holding a position will depend on the specific asset and should be selected by you, taking into account the results of testing on historical data. This approach will help adapt your strategy to the features of your instrument and increase its effectiveness. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this strategy. We recommend using Neon Lightning on timeframes from M5 and higher. This will reduce the number of false signals and make your trading more stable. If the trend filter proposed in the article does not suit you for some reason, feel free to replace it with any other technical indicator that you are used to working with to determine the current market direction. The main thing is to follow the described approach to analysis. The advantage of this system is the simplicity of signals and complete accessibility. It can be used by any trader, even if he has no experience in binary options trading. Everything is as simple as possible. A signal appears, a trade is opened. Among the disadvantages, we will note the lack of notifications when trading signals appear. Today, this is already a basic function, and it is very strange that the developers did not provide for it. Another disadvantage is the lack of built-in filters. Because of this, traders will have to use additional technical analysis tools to reduce the number of false moves and increase the overall efficiency of trading using this system. So, the Neon Lightning binary options strategy is based on the arrow indicator, one of the simplest and most popular technical analysis tools. The system provides clear trading signals that even a beginner can handle. To reduce the number of false entries, use the exponential moving average EMA with a period of 50 as a trend filter and open trades only in the direction of the main trend. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use correctly. Be sure to check and test the indicator on a demo account of historical data, while not forgetting about the rules of risk and capital management. And also choose only proven brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and you will be constantly up to date with the latest news from the field of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone good profit and safe trading. And so that you do not doubt the reliability of this strategy, we will demonstrate its operation in real time and confirm that the signals do not repaint.